Jai Hind friends. The topic for today's lecturette is AFSPA. It stands for Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Now, it is a matter of real controversy right since its inception in 1958 with an ordinance by the then President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. It was brought in to protect the sovereignty and integrity of the country as a deterrence against the insurgency in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, or also mainly in the northeast. Later it was also brought in the states of Punjab and the Union Territory of Chandigarh at the time of the Khalistani movements during the time of Miss Indira Gandhi as the then Prime Minister. The Article 355 of the Indian Constitution confers special powers, or you can say the responsibility, on the central government to protect the states from internal disturbances. Those internal disturbances can also be termed as insurgency. The border states of Northeast, continuously get operationalized by the special forces against the insurgency. Now, such forces need those powers which come under AFSPA. Under AFSPA, under Clause 4, a particular area can be termed as disturbed by a simple notification by the central government under the Gazette. Now, a particular state or a particular area of a state can be termed as disturbed, and then those area can be operationalized by forces with such powers. Powers like, search without warrants, to take action again without warrant, to, prohibit these, assembly of 5 or more people, and to shoot at sight at one's will. Such powers can be ill-used and are against the human rights, the critics say. Article 20 and 21 are the articles which are infringed. The right to life and personal liberty, right? Now, we can say it is a infringement of the fundamental rights. But what about the sovereignty and integrity of the country? I mean, if the states are being, operationalized, they are being, compromised by the insurgent groups, then we need deterrence powers with the special forces to deal as per the given situation. The curiosity, the curiosity of these human rights activists is only linked till the rights of the humans. Of course, the citizens talking about there. But what about the insurgent groups targeting the special forces? They ambush them at their will. Then why can't the special forces, get those powers at their will, right? So it is that power which is eminent. What we can do actually is to grant or confer some special authorities which can act as a supervising authority over these forces under such an act, which can make sure that the powers are not ill-used. Every time the disturbed areas are operationalized, they should be checked whether the forces have done right in their ethical ways. That can act as a regulatory authority, and I don't think the AFSPA should be repealed in that sense. In that sense, the human rights will also be adjudged, and also the act will remain. Because overall, the main priority of any country is their sovereignty and integrity. So AFSPA can't be repealed, but can be regulated, of course. Thank you.